Today's video is going to be one that's so exciting for me. It's, as you can tell by the title, it is an unboxing swap with beautybyella27. And I don't really want to say anything else. I just want to open this box. I'm so excited. So I'm not even, we're just gonna jump right in. Opening. Making sure I'm still recording. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so, whoa, holy bubble wrap. So, this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cute. Wait, can you see? Ah. Oh my god. Okay, fine. I'm so happy you're finally opening this. I'm so glad I did my first swap with you. I've had a blast picking these things out for you. I really hope you like everything. I miss you so much and hope we get to see each other soon and hang out and buy lots of makeup together. I'm so glad I met you. You're seriously my twin. I love talking to you because we have so much in common. Hope you love everything. Love you, Antonella. Oh, I'm gonna cry. So I'm just gonna start with this. Okay, so had to get these for the summer. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, she knows me so well. I'm gonna cry. No way. I'm shaking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like shaking. I can't open it. God, you didn't. Oh my god. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, so she got me a MAC lipstick and cream sheen. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe you just did that. I'm shaking. This is so exciting. Oh my god. 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 Okay. Okay. You've probably seen this before in one of my videos. When I bought mine, I had to buy you one. Seriously, one of my faves and gorgeous when you put it on. What is this? Oh, I'm like on the verge of tears right now. She got me a Too Faced blush, and seriously, when I saw you try yours, I was like, that looks amazing, I have to go buy it. I don't know if you can see my hand shaking, but they're shaking. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. This is in the color Something About Berry. Seriously, you already beat me and I've only opened 3 things. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm shaking. This is so exciting. I've seen so many cute tutorials with this. Love the colors. Oh, this is so pretty. Comfort Zone. Is that the color? I guess. It's a Wet n Wild. Oh, these are really pretty. A Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. These are so... Oh my gosh, those are so pigmented. Those are so pigmented. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but those are really pigmented. I'm so excited to try these. One of my faves. Love it. Guys, wait. She got me my favorite candy ever. Okay. I have to eat one. I have to. She already beat me, guys, so. She wrapped this all so cute. Oh my god. Milani Baked Blush. Delicioso Pink. Seriously, I've been wanting one of these forever. How do I open it? Oh my god. That's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is such a pretty color. This is a Baby Lips chapstick and Very Berry. Seriously, these are like my favorite things. I got her one of these too. I got her this in my favorite color. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Saw it at the store and just knew these would look so pretty on you. Smiley face. Oh, these are... Oh, she knows me well. Love my pinks and browns. This is so pretty. This is another Wet n Wild's one, but it's a trio and it's in Sweet as Candy. And that's so pretty too. I love like this kind of stuff. I just love. I really love it. Oh my god, she got me this too. She knows me so well. Oh, or she asked. Doesn't matter. I'm so obsessed with these Bare It All. Bare It All. It's such a pretty nude. I use in my tutorials. LOL. I also have the other colors. Oh, shoot. These are pretty colors. So there are 3 Wet n Wild lipsticks in the shades Bare It All. Oh, that's what she was talking about. Okay. Mauve Out of Here and Don't Blink Pink. Seriously, these are so pretty. I'm so excited to try these. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. They're so pretty though. I'd open them, but that would take too long. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh, open this last. Oh. Okay. This will help you for your YouTube carrier love. Now you can write all your ideas. I knew you loved Paris thanks to a little birdie. Oh my god. It's a Paris notebook. Oh my god. This is so cute. Oh my god. I love it all. I love it all. I love it all. I love it all. That is so cute, seriously. I'm obsessed with this. P.S. Seriously, a dupe for the benefit. They're real. LOL, my wrapping sucks. Oh, this one. I've wanted to try this one. This is the one she talked about in her last video. It's the Voluminous Million Lashes Excess. Yay, you know I love me some mascara. Yay! Saw this in Ashley's video, thought you might like to try it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, Jordana. Okay, this is the, where did I see this? The Faboo Liner by Jordana and Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara. Okay. I've always wanted to try something by Jordana, but I can't find it around where I live. Like, I can't find the brand. So that makes me very excited. Okay, and, oh, my other favorite. Oh my god, I have this one. Oh my god, that's so funny. I have this one, but mine's like all clumpy and messed up, so that's actually perfect. And I love this color. I love like the pastel shades, so these are perfect for me. Oh, this one's so pretty. It's another Baby Lips. And this is in the shade Blush Burst. This one's really pretty. It's like a light pink. I love these. I hope you like them. What? I love these. I have one, but I love them. Oh my god. Okay, these are in the shades Cherry Pie, Eclair, and Apple Strudel. Oh my gosh, they're the NYX Butter Glosses, which I love. I only have one of them, but I love these things. Oh my god, thank you so much. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, I have to get 4K. Oh my god. Oh, they're pajamas with Paris on them. These are so cute. And they're from Forever 21, but I've never seen them. What does it say? I love you all the way to... This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so me. Thank you so much. Oh wait, I have that. Okay, I have one more thing. Open this last. As soon as I got this, as soon as I got this, I knew I had to pick you up one too. I told someone to make sure you didn't buy this. LOL, he told me he would punch you in the face if you even looked at it. LMAO. No. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot believe she just did this. I cannot believe she just did this. I cannot believe she did this. I'm shaking again. This is the Too Faced chocolate bar. Ooh. Oh my god. My life is complete. Oh my god, you guys, she went overboard. Like, she beat me. I tried to beat her, but man, she beat me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You did so good, girl. Like, seriously.